Question number 6. Estimate each of the following difference to the nearest thousand. So in this number 6, the digit which is in hundreds place is greater or equal to 5. So we should round it up to 8,000. Okay. Then in this number in the hundreds place, that is 4 is less than 5. So we should round it down and we'll get 3,000. So the answer will be 5,000. The hundred place is 6, which is greater or equal to 5. So we have to round it up 4,000. And in this the hundred place is greater or equal to 5. We also have to round it up to 3,000. So the answer we get is 1,000. So in this 7, which is in hundred place, which is greater or equal to 5. So we have to round it up to 7,000. In this, which is 3 is in hundred place, is less than 500. So we have to round it to the nearest thousand, that is 5,000. The answer we get is 2,000. Then D, in this we have number 9, which is in hundredth place, which is greater or equal to 5. We have to round it up to 9,000. Then in this 5 is the digit in hundredth place. We have to round it up to the 8,000. We'll get the answer, that is 1,000. Question number 7. Estimate the following products by rounding off each number to the nearest tens. 58 should be rounded to the nearest 10, that is 60. 45 should be rounded to the nearest 10, that is 50. The answer we get is 3,000. 67 should be rounded to the nearest 10, that is 70. Then 33 should be rounded to the nearest 10, that is 30. So we get the answer, that is 2100. 78 should be rounded to the nearest 10, that is 80. 32 should be rounded up to the nearest 10, that is 30. We get the answer, that is 2400. Then 23 should be rounded to the nearest 10, that is 20. 98 should be rounded to the nearest 10, that is 100. So the answer we get is 2000. Question number 8. Estimate the following products by rounding off each number to the nearest hundreds. 581 should be rounded up to 600. 456 should be rounded up to 500. The answer we get is 30,000. Then 167 should be rounded up to 200 and 233 should be rounded down to 200. We'll get the answer, that is 40,000. 478 should be rounded up to 500. 132 will be rounded down to 100. The answer we'll get is 50,000. 223 should be rounded down to 200. 198 should be rounded up to 200. The answer we'll get is 40,000. Question number 9. Estimate the following products using the general rule. So 345 should be rounded down to 300 and 46 should be rounded up to 50. The answer we'll get is 15,000. The next 3,427 should be rounded down to 3,000 and 456 should be rounded up to 500. The answer we'll get is 15 lakhs. Then 2,192 should be rounded down to 2,000. 479 should be rounded up to 500. The answer we'll get is 10 lakhs. Then 876 should be rounded up to 10,000. Then 32 should be rounded down to 30. So the answer we'll get is 3 lakhs. Question number 10. Find the estimate quotient for each of the following. So 567 should be rounded up to 570. Then 24 should be rounded down to 20. Then 570 by 20 should be 0 cut. 557 by 2. The answer will be 28.5. Then we should round it up to 29. 861 should be rounded down to 860. 29 should be rounded up to 30. So 860 by 30, 0 cut, 86 by 3. The answer will be 28.66. So round it up to 28.7. Then 347 divided by 13. 347 should be rounded up to 350 and 13 should be rounded down to 10. The 350 by 10, 0 cut. The answer will be 35. 691 divided by 18. 691 should be rounded down to 690. 18 should be rounded up to 20. Then 690 by 20. 0 should be cut down. Then 69 divided by 2, that is 34.5.